Okay, go ahead.
Hi, I'm Jackson.
And I'm Mommy.
And we're your backyard friends, the Backyardigans.
And we're your backyard friends, the Backyardigans.
Together we're the Backyardigans. Dance fun.
Together we're the Backyardigans.
Playing with the flute, beat the drums, and we'll maybe dance along.
Playing with the flute, beat the drums, and we'll maybe dance along.
We've got the whole wide world in our yard to explore. Dance fun.
We've got the whole wide world in our yard to explore.
We always find things we never seen before. That's why every day we're back for more with your friends, the Backyardigans.
We always find things we never saw before. That's why you changed it. Always back for more with your friends, the Backyardigans.
Pause.
The Legend of the Volcano Sisters. Go ahead.
Hi.
Hi.
Aloha. I'm Mommy the Strong, and I'm Jackson the Swift.
Aloha. I'm Mommy the Strong, and he's Jackson the Swift.
Oh, Dad.
And this is our Luau brothers and Volcano sisters.
And this is our Luau brothers and Volcano sisters. Go ahead.
Sing.
Go ahead.
Let's sing.
Let's sing.
Oh, we love a luau. We love a luau.
Oh, we love a luau. We love a luau.
We love a luau.
We love a luau.
Let's go to the luau of the beach of Hawaii.
Let's go to a luau on the beach of Hawaii.
Let's sing.
Let's sing.
We're going to the luau.
We're going to...
No, we're going to the luau. The Volcano Sisters all day long. With you tonight. You all day. With you tonight. With you.
We're going to a luau with the Volcano Sisters. With you tonight. With you tonight. No, we're not going to the kitchen. We're in the living room. A little messy in here, but that's okay. Okay.
This is great. Look at all this stuff.
This is great. Look at all this stuff. Don't get too close, honey.
Now this what we called our luau.
Now this is what we call our luau.
Whoa!
Whoa!
We are...
You say who?
Who?
We are mad.
Hookapella! Everybody say, uh-oh, the Volcano Sisters. Uh-oh,
The Volcano Sisters.
Everybody say, we are mad. Hoo.
We are mad.
Hoo. We better find out what they want. No. We better find out what they want.
We better find out what they want.
Quit. No. We better find out what they want.
We better find out what they want.
Mommy.
Quick, Lua brothers, to the volcano!
To the volcano!
Okay.
What do you think the Volcano Sisters are so mad about?
What do you think the Volcano Sisters are so mad about? I don't know. We better find out.
If they get really mad, you know what will happen.
If they get really mad, you know what will happen.
Everybody say hookapela. And Mommy, the volcano will erupt.
Hookapella! The volcano will erupt.
Paused. There will be smoke and hot lava everywhere.
There will be smoke and hot lava everywhere. And our Lua will be ruined. We are mad. Oh boy. Wow.
Look.
Look. It's up there, buddy. Pause.
Everybody say aloha, then paused.
Aloha.
Who
dares into our volcano?
It's us. No, everybody say it's us. The legendary Luau brothers.
It's us. The legendary Luau brothers. You're too close. I'm Mommy the Strong.
And I'm Jackson the Swift.
And he's Jackson the Swift. And I'm Megzuka. Megzuka the what? Just Megzuka. Go ahead. I recorded.
Paused.
And we're the Volcano Sisters. And we are mad.
Hoo, hoo.
Yeah, we heard.
We want something.
We want something.
And if we don't give us what we want,
And if they don't give us what we want,
we'll press this red button and
we'll press this red button and
hookapella! We know what we don't. We know what we know. We know what we want. We know what we don't want. So get us what we want. Dance fun.
we know what we want. We know what we don't want. So get us what we want.
We'll get you what you want. Dance fun.
We'll get you what you want. You better get us what we want. Now go! Go ahead. Okay. Hey, no, stop banging your head, buddy.
Paused. Whoa! Paused.
Go ahead.
Phew, those Volcano Sisters sure have powerful lungs.
Phew, those Volcano Sisters sure have powerful lungs.
What could they want?
What could they want?
Whatever it is, we want to find it fast.
Whatever it is, we want to find it fast.
I know, we'll give something.
I know, we'll give something.
The most fantastic thing in all of Hawaii.
The most fantastic thing in all of Hawaii.
I know what to get. No, I know what to get them.
I know what to get them. I got it.
What? Then paused.
What?
What? No. The very heavy tiki mask.
The very heavy tiki mask.
Brilliant! It's the biggest, the heaviest, the tikiest tiki mask in all of Hawaii.
It's the biggest, the heaviest.
Say brilliant.
Brilliant. It's the biggest, heaviest tikiest tiki mask in all of Hawaii.
And I'm just the guy to get him. And makes Mommy the strong.
And I'm just a guy to get him. And makes Mommy the strong.
Come on, let's go to the Tiki Mountain. No, to the highest mountain in possible.
Come on, let's go to the highest mountain.
I'm sure the Volcano sisters don't want a tiki mask. Size sound impossible.
I'm sure the Volcano sisters don't want a tiki mask. There he is, the very heavy tiki mask.
Looks kind of tricky.
Looks kind of tricky. Go ahead.
No. It means that nothing can stop me from getting the very heavy tiki mask than possible.
It means that nothing can stop me from getting the very heavy tiki mask. It means nothing can stop me from getting the very heavy tiki mask. Very heavy tiki mask, here I come. Go ahead.
No problem.
No problem.
Now this could be a problem.
Now this could be a problem. Yay!
You did it! You've got the very heavy tiki mask.
You did it! You've got the very heavy tiki mask. Okay. Where'd you go?
Mommy, where is?
Where'd you go?
See, here I am.
Here you are.
See, you did it! You've got the very heavy tiki mask.
You did it! You've got the very heavy tiki mask. Okay.
No problem. I'm Mommy, the strong.
No problem. I'm Mommy the strong. We are mad.
Hoo! We better get this mask of the Volcano sisters fast.
We better get this mask to the Volcano sisters fast. To the volcano, Lua brothers. To the volcano.
Aloha. What have you brought us? Oh, great Volcano sisters.
Oh, great Volcano sisters.
We bring you
the very heavy tiki mask. It's the biggest, the heaviest, the tikiest tiki mask in all of Hawaii.
Bring it forth.
No problem. There you go. Enjoy.
That was not what we wanted.
No?
No!
You better get us what we want soon, or hookapele. We'll make this volcano blow. Now go! I can't believe it. I was sure the very heavy tiki mask was what they wanted.
Maybe it was too heavy. No, maybe it was too heavy or too tiki than possible.
Maybe it was too heavy or too tiki.
We gotta get them something even more amazing than possible.
We've got to get them something even more amazing.
I know what to get them.
I know what to get them.
I got it.
I got it. What?
The shiniest pearl.
The shiniest pearl. That ought to work. It is the biggest, the shiniest, the pearliest pearl in all of Hawaii.
And I'm just the guy to get him. Jackson the Swift, the fastest swimmer in all of Hawaii. Then pause.
And he's just the guy to get him. Jackson the Swift, the fastest swimmer in all of Hawaii. Well, I'm sure the pretty Volcano sisters don't want a pearl. Don't worry, just Megzuka. Go ahead.
Pause.
They'll love it. Go ahead.
Come to the deep blue sea. Then pause.
Come to the deep blue sea. Go ahead.
That's quite a drop. Drop sound. Then pause.
That's quite a drop. And the pearl doesn't want an angry clam.
No clam is too angry. The shiniest pearl as swift as I am. Then paused.
No clam is too angry, and the shiniest pearl as swift as I am.
It means that nothing can stop me from getting the shiny. It means that nothing can stop me from getting the shiniest pearl.
It means that nothing can stop me from getting.
Say it means.
It means that nothing can stop me from getting the shiniest pearl.
Shiniest pearl, here I come!
Shiniest pearl, here I come! Okay, go ahead.
The shiniest pearl. Then pause.
The shiniest pearl. What are you doing? Okay.
Oh, clammy. Then paused.
Oh, clammy.
Uh-oh. Then paused.
Uh-oh.
Hey! Then paused.
Hey! Go ahead.
Do-do-do-do-do-do. No. Dance phone. You got it!
You got it!
Record.
I'm recording.
No, bedroom.
Pause.
You got it!
You got it. You are faster than the angriest clam.
Told ya.
Told ya.
Who? We are still mad. Whoa, we can't celebrate too soon.
Whoa, we can't.
Say, whoa.
Whoa, we can't celebrate too soon.
Yeah, let's get to the pearl to the Volcano sisters. Come on. Then pause.
Let's get the pearl to the Volcano sisters. Come on. Okay, go ahead.
Everybody say aloha.
Aloha.
Come
forth. What you got there, Lua brothers? Go ahead.
Oh, great Volcano sisters.
Oh, great Volcano sisters.
Paused.
We bring you
The shiniest pearl. Record.
Okay.
Is the biggest, the shiniest, the pearliest pearl in all of Hawaii. Then pause.
It's the biggest, the shiniest, the pearliest pearl in all of Hawaii.
Bring it forth. Tell me, you love it, don't ya? Then pause.
Tell me, you love it, don't ya?
That was not what we wanted. Really?
Really. You better find us what we want soon. Or we'll press this red button and...
Hookapella! The volcano... Record, everybody say the volcano will erupt.
The volcano will erupt. Now go!
Whoa!
Oh, good. We're on the floor again. Uh-oh. The volcano never did that before. I think it's ready to blow.
Hookapella! Hookapella! Hookapella, hookapella, boom, boom, boom. Eruption is coming and coming soon. Dance fun.
Hookapella, boom, boom, boom. Eruption is coming and it's coming soon.
The ground is shaking out of the room. Hookapella, hookapella, hoo, boom, boom, dance fun.
The ground is shaking out of the room. Hookapella, hookapella, boom, boom.
You bring the gifts to the volcano. You want to say or say no, dance fun.
You bring the presents to the volcano. You want them to say yes, but they say no. Go ahead.
You want to say about all the thing you want. Ever say you want everything. Mommy the strong, Jackson the swift.
You want to say about all the things you want. Jackson the strong, Mommy the swift.
Mommy the strong, Jackson the swift. Jackson the swift.
Mommy the strong, Jackson the swift.
Hookapella, hookapella, boom, boom, boom. Hookapella, hookapella, boom, boom, boom. Eruption is coming and coming soon. The ground is shaking, running out of room. Hookapella, hookapella, boom, boom, boom. Dance for the
Hookapella, hookapella, boom, boom, boom. Eruption is coming and it's coming soon. Hookapella, hookapella. Go ahead.
Now what? Then pause.
Now what? We got them the greatest things. The very heavy tiki mask and the shiniest pearl in all of Hawaii.
The most amazing things in all of Hawaii. Then pause.
The most amazing things in all of Hawaii. Guys. But it wasn't what they wanted. They didn't want a tiki mask. They didn't want a pearl.
That's it for us. We're toast. Then pause.
That's it for us. We're toast.
Pause.
Guys. Nothing worked. The volcano.
See, nothing worked.
Nothing worked. The volcano's gonna blow. Hot ash and lava everywhere.
No, record. No luau for us. Then pause.
No luau for us. Guys! What?
Pause.
You know what to get the Volcano sisters.
You do?
You do?
Why do you something before just Megzuka? Then pause.
Why didn't you say something before just Megzuka? I've been trying to tell you. Go ahead. No. Pause.
No, here we go.
Here we go.
Record everybody say flowers. Then pause.
Flowers? You want to give them flowers? If they didn't like the very heavy tiki mask, and they didn't like the shiniest pearl,
Or the shiniest pearl. Then pause.
or the shiniest pearl,
Record say they're not gonna have some regular old flowers. Then pause.
they're not going to have some regular old flowers.
Trust me. No, trust me. I'm sure this will work.
Trust me, I'm sure this will work.
Whoa! Then pause.
Whoa! Hookapella! Hookapella! Hookapella!
Record say, come on! Then pause.
Come on!
Well, here goes nothing.
Well, here goes nothing.
Pause.
Ready to erupt? Ready as I'll ever be. Wait!
Wait!
Wait Volcano Sisters,
Wait! Pause.
Can't you see we're about to erupt? Go ahead.
Well, Volcano Sister. No. Well, Volcano Sisters. I'm Megzuka. Then paused.
Well, Volcano Sisters, I'm Megzuka. We know just Megzuka and...
Record.
Go ahead.
Well, I've brought you one more thing. Then paused.
Well, I brought you one more thing. Oh?
I brought you these. Then paused.
I brought you these. Flowers? You're giving us flowers? Go ahead.
This doesn't look good. Nice knowing you, brother. Then paused.
This doesn't look good. Nice knowing you, brother.
Yes, flowers.
Yes, flowers.
And here's why.
And here's why.
You can wear the flowers to our luau. Then paused.
You can wear the flowers to our luau.
Huh?
Just Megzuka, are you inviting us to your luau?
Yup. That's exactly what I'm doing. Then paused.
Yup, that's exactly what I'm doing.
Bring the flowers forth.
Go ahead. Okay. Pause.
Mahalo!
Go ahead.
Oh no, mahalo, mahalo!
Oh no, mahalo, mahalo. Mommy, Jackson, mahalo means thank you, remember?
Record.
Okay.
Oh yeah! Wait, so you're not mad? Then pause.
Wait, so you're
Say,
not...
oh yeah!
Oh yeah! Wait, so you're not mad? Mad? Of course not.
Pause.
We're delighted. Just Megzuka figured it out. All we wanted was to go to your luau.
We love a luau. Well, what are we waiting for?
Well, what are we waiting for?
Ready to luau, Volcano Sisters?
Ready to luau, Volcano Sisters?
Everybody say ready to luau. Ready to luau.
Go ahead.
Belly stomach sound. Say you.
You.
What was that?
What was that?
I'm getting kind of hungry. See, no, I'm getting kind of hungry. It's just my belly wanting a snack today.
I'm getting kind of hungry. It's just my belly wanting a snack today.
Want to come to my house for ketchup, noodles, and crackers? Then pause.
Want to come to my house for ketchup, noodles, and crackers? Come to my house and we'll make some milk.
Mommy, say, yeah, that sounds good. Good idea.
Yeah, that sounds good. Good idea.
Record, everybody say hookapela, hoo, hoo, then paused.
Hookapella! Hoo,
Hoo, hoo.
Head.
That was an exciting Hawaiian adventure, don't you think?
That was an exciting Hawaiian adventure, don't you think?
It sure was.
It sure was.
Let the end.
The end.
No,
No?
we're not gonna stop till the end.
We're not going to stop till the end?
Let's all sing one more time.
No.
We've got the whole
wide...
low pitched voice.
We've got the whole wide world in our yard to explore. Now we're...
Now it's time for us to have a snack. Meet you next time. We're when low pitched voice. When we're
The Backyardigans. Okay. Okay, say bye.
See ya. See you later. See you next time. Bye. Ta-ta.
See ya. See you later. See you next time. Bye. Ta-ta.
Pa.